Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this Python tutorial series, today we will learn about different data types in Python. So let's get started. So there is numerical data types, int, float. Since Python is interpreter based, you don't have to explicitly say that this is int or this is float. However, you can cast a variable into int or float by using keyword int. Let's say 10.9 for example, and d, let's say float, let's say 20. We can view all of them, A, B, C and D. Let me run this. So Python data types. Let me run this. So we can see that 9, 10.9, 10. So 10.9 is converted into int because we cast 10.9 into int. Then 20 is casted into 20.0 as a float value. So these are the numerical values. Let me comment this. Now there is Boolean type of data we can have are true and false. We can see them as well. Yeah. Then there is a string. So string is again you just use single quote, double quote or single quote to define a string. Like this is a string and we can print that. Let me show you one function called type, which returns the type of the variable, and with that we can easily understand what type of data it is. So you can see that it's a class string, and string has different methods, like you can have length, you can slice it, you can have negative index as well. Let's print these few things. So length 16, so 0 to 3, 3 is excluded, so 0, 1, 2, so thi, minus 1 means the last character, that is g. You can understand string as an array of characters. Next we have sequences. So let's say list. You can have string as well. You can have Boolean as well. And you can have number, floating point, anything. Any data type can accommodate it into a sequence. So the first sequence is list. So list is defined as square bracket, and inside that square bracket you can have any data type. Let me print A. You can have length of a list as well. There are so many other functions associated with list as well, like list dot append. You can append a new value. So this is new value. Let me run this. Let me first clear the screen. So we can have these things. Okay, and okay, let me print A again so that we can see that the new value is added, and you can see the new value is added. There is tuple. Tuple is defined using parenthesis, and you can again have any kind of values there. and let me print a. So if I run this, yeah, we get the value. If I use type function to see the type of variable a, then we can see it as well. It's a tuple. So there is a fundamental difference between tuple and list. List are mutable while tuple is immutable. That means you cannot add new value into tuple. That means you don't have any append method. Okay, you don't have any append or add method, but there is append method in list. So I hope you understand that tuple is immutable. That means you cannot add value into tuple. Even you cannot delete values from tuple as well. And while list, you can add, delete, and append values. Now there is data type called mapping. So a dictionary is a mapping kind of data set or data type, where you define dictionary using curly braces, and here you have a key and value pair. You can have number as key as well, and any data type as value. For example, 12, and you can print, yeah, you can get items, you can add new values using square bracket, key name equals to value. Let me print a. Yeah, so this is mapping kind of data type. Then there is also none type of data. So let's say a equals to none. You define a variable as none which doesn't have any value. So we can print a, we can print type of a as well, and we can see that it will be a none type. So I guess these are the data types most commonly used in Python, and I hope this video is informative to you. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.